Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this puppy right here. I know you can't see it because we have to open the box to get inside. But right here, this is a sports watch, okay? And I'm going to give you the name. It's called the it's called the Gosasa Military Watch Digital LED Light Men's Sports Airplane Shape Waterproof Watch. That's exactly how it's read on here, okay? This normally will go for $19.99, but right now, if you're an Amazon member, you can get it for $15.99. And just to give you a little bit about the item, it comes with date display, colorful light functions, date, week display, alarm function, military stealth fighter, cool, 5A TM water resistant, digital LED sports wrist watch. Okay, new stylish design, very popular. Movement, Japan original digital movement, 7 colors, backlit digital. That's basically what it says, guys. So, again, you're looking at $15.99, or if you're not a member, $19.99. So, without further, I almost dropped ado, let's get to the Eagle Eye View. Hey guys, before we get into the Eagle Eye View, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right, we're in the Eagle Eye View, so let me go ahead over. This is how it came, guys. It literally came in this box. I don't know if this is the normal box, but that's what it came. All right, so we're going to take it off. Boop. All right, so we have this. All right, this is kind of heavy, too, guys. This is not, like, it's kind of heavy. Okay, so we have the manual. We have this right here, so let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Yeah, that'll hit you. Let's take that off. All right, there we go. Now I'm gonna tell you, this don't look that bad. It's heavy. It's heavy though. Oh, heavy. Okay, that's not bad. It wouldn't be called God tier, but okay. I don't think I didn't mean to do all that. Okay, I kind of messed it up. Okay, well I gotta set the time, and I think I messed up. Oh, mode. There you go. Woo! I thought I messed it up, guys. So you got mode right here. Goes back. You have the light. Okay. I will have to see how so that's the red light. Does it come with any other lights? All right, give me 1 second, guys. Now, I do like it. To change the lighting so you can have a different color lighting, you want to hit that button. It's like a double tap and hold. Then you get to switch it. I'm trying to figure that out. So like that, you see that? Then, so that's how it looks when it's on different colors. Like I said, it shows you that on here. So you have a lot of different modes on here. So guys, I just wanted to show you and just give you a look at how this watch looks on your arm. Now understand this little pointy right here is gonna get you a little bit when you do like that. All right, that's how it looks. Got it on blue. Again, I'm gonna show this because I know somebody's gonna say, how do I change the time? So there you go. Gives you all that, how to do it. So it tells you all that now, So there you go. All right, well, let's get to the regular view give you my final thoughts and give this puppy a grade. Yo, I'm back to give my final thought on the Gosasa airplane looking men's sport watch, which is waterproof. Guys, I like it. Now I understand you're gonna say this is right, a very fast unboxing and review. Really, what is it, a review? I mean, I wore it for a minute or two, and it was okay. It was okay. You know, got the little point there. But it was okay. It's heavier than what I thought. I thought it was going to be cheap plastic, but this is not plastic. It might be pewter, maybe, if I got that word right, pewter, or some other type of metal, but it's not plastic. It's kind of heavy. So I think it's a decent stocking stuffer. I don't have to do a whole hour and a half on a watch, giving you the intricacies of the watch. I would just tell you to read the manual, because I get a lot of people who don't read the manual. If you want to learn how to set the time, if you follow the manual, it will allow you to set the time. All right, guys, I'm going to give it a B. I think it's pretty good. It's better than what I thought. I thought it was going to be a cheap plastic, but it's not. So just because it's not plastic, like a plastic face is pretty decent, so I'm going to give it a B. All right, guys? So do me a favor. Before you go, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon where you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Chet. Thank you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video, guys. We got some more quick unboxings coming soon to your way. Coming soon. So again, hit the notification bell icon so you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. You have a good day. Peace. This is Stocking Stuffer approved. Peace.